When someone enters our bedroom, so what they notice first? After the bed, it usually the wardrobes. A well-designed wardrobe instantly creates a premium and an elegant impression. So a beautiful wardrobe with a glossy finish can make your room look more modern and classy. So friends, there you can see that the beautiful designs are available. So in this video, I'm going to share the latest price for making the wardrobes and which are the best materials and what are the points to consider before you plan to make the wardrobe. So friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel. So let's begin the video. A beautiful wardrobe is not just about the looks, but it is also about the functionality. So modern wardrobes comes with the separate sections for clothes, drawer for accessories, hidden compartments. So this helps keep your bedroom organized and clutter free. And a clean room always looks more attractive and peaceful. So your wardrobe should match the overall theme of your bedroom. So mirror wardrobes are also a great choice. They make the room look bigger and brighter. So friends, now let's start the main topic, that which are the best materials and what will be the price for making a beautiful wardrobe design. So let's first we start with the materials. When it comes to designing a wardrobe for your home, so there are the several options are available in the market today, such as MDF and plywood. However, if you are looking for a durability and a long-term performance, I would strongly recommend choosing the plywood. So within a plywood itself, you will find different grades. For example, there is a MR grade plywood, which stands for moisture resistance plywood. This is suitable for areas with minimal exposure to the moisture. So then comes BWR grade, which stands for boiling water resistance plywood. This offers better durability and can handle the higher moisture levels. At the top level, we have the BWP grade plywood. This is a high quality and especially ideal for areas kitchen like kitchen cabinets where there is a frequent exposure to water. So although BWP plywood is slightly more expensive, it provides excellent strength and longevity. So I would recommend using the BWR plywood for wardrobes. It is more affordable than BWP. It still offers a very good quality and durability. So for bedroom or living room furnitures, BWR plywood is a perfect balance between the cost and performance. So now let's talk about the most important factor is which is the costing. There are the two main ways to get your wardrobe made. The first option is to purchase the materials yourself and hire a carpenter on a labor basis. The second option is to give a complete contract to a vendor where they provide both materials and labor. So this decision totally depends entirely on your knowledge and comfort level. So if you have a good understanding of materials, you can save the money by purchasing them yourself and paying only for labor. So speaking of labor charges, they usually range between 250 to 350 per square feet for making charges. On the other hand, if you go for a complete contract including the materials, the typically comes to around 1100 rupees per square feet. In this cost, everything is included, your labor charges and materials. So friends, let's understand the total cost with an example. Suppose your wardrobe size is 9 feet in height and 7 feet in width. So this gives you a total area of 63 square feet. To calculate the total cost, we multiply 63 by 1100, which comes to approximately 69,300. So your total wardrobe cost will be around 69,000, including materials, labor cost, and basic hardware fittings such as handles and channels. So friends, this is a total cost it will cost you. So whatever your size will be of wardrobe, you have to multiply with 1100 rupees. If you are giving contract them with total materials cost, and suppose if you bring the materials by yourself, so there will be a labor charges starts from 250 to 350 rupees. The actually the labor charges depends on the design's complexity. So, friends, before making a wardrobe for your bedroom, it is important to think beyond just looks. So, a well planned wardrobe improves the storage, convenience, and the overall feel of your room. The first point to remember is the space and size planning. So, start by measuring your available space properly, like height, width, and depth. So, standard depth is around 2 feet. Another point to consider is a storage. Think about what you will store, like hanging clothes, folded clothes, or accessories, shoes, bags, drawers for valuables. So, divide the wardrobes into the sections based on your daily needs instead of making random shelves. And one of the most important point is the material selection. So choose the right material is very important for durability. As I told you, plywood like BWR or PWP is the best option for long life. MDF is cheaper but less durable in moistures, and particle board is budget friendly but not very strong. So for bedrooms, BWR price is usually the best balance of cost and quality. And another point is the finish and appearance. So the wardrobe should match your bedroom's interior. Like laminate is budget friendly and durable. Acrylic it is a little bit of costly, but it gives the glossy look. Another one is interior layout. So a good internal design makes a big difference. So hanging rods at proper height, adjustable shelves. So plan it based on your lifestyle. So not just design trends. And another point is the hardware quality. Don't compromise on fittings like hinges, channels, handles, locks. So soft close mechanism for smooth uses. Good hardware increases durability and daily comfort. And a wardrobe should have the slight ventilations to avoid so bad odor, moisture damage, fungus or mold. Especially important in humid areas like Mumbai or Pune.